Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a hacked Twitter account known as X account. First, let's look a sign your account may be hacked. You may see Twitter you don't post, message you don't send, or email saying your password was changed. Now let's fix it. First, change your password immediately. Open the Twitter app, tap on your profile, tap on setting and privacy. After that, tap on security and account access. Then tap change password. Choose a strong new password that you have never used before. If you cannot log in, go to the Twitter login page and tap forward password. Follow the steps into your email or phone. Next, check your email address. Make sure email linked to your account is still your and not changed by the hacker. Update it if needed. Now turn on two-verification mode or two-factor authentication. For that, go to the setting, then tap on two-factor verification and turn it on. This adds extra protection to your account. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.